Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make traditional bright red tikka masala paste from scratch. If you're looking for my colour-free version, the link is popping up now. Before I start, please take a second to like and subscribe. Thank you. To make enough traditional bright red tikka masala paste to coat 1 kilogram of meat, you will need 500 milliliters of plain yoghurt, 2 teaspoons of patak's tandoori paste, 2 teaspoons of patak's tikka paste, 1 teaspoon of patak's Kashmiri paste, half a teaspoon of mint sauce, 1 lemon, the juice only, half a teaspoon of powdered red food colouring. I use Permical East End or TRS brand, which is what the restaurants use. You can always use beetroot powder, but the colour will be far less vibrant. Add the yoghurt to a bowl. Combine the tandoori paste, tikka paste, Kashmiri paste, mint sauce and lemon juice. Start by adding half a teaspoon of colouring powder, then mix in well. Add more until you reach the colour you require. The paste can be used straight away, refrigerated or frozen ready for use at a later date. It can be used for marinating meat such as chicken tikka and is exactly the same paste added to tikka masala curry dishes. Links to both of those are popping up now and at the end of this video. If you intend to separate some of the masala paste for chicken tikka masala, please make sure you remove these portions before you marinate any meat in it to avoid contamination. Store refrigerated for up to 4 days or freeze in 4 tablespoon amounts, then add into your tikka masala dish. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.